All right, guys, so the very first mods I chose for this thing was a stub antenna, 14 bucks. So I'll put the links in the description. And rear wheel liners. My truck did not come with them. As you can see, this is 600 kilometers on this truck. We've already got chipped through. So I would rather this be hitting plastic and not metal. I don't know why these trucks don't come standard with it. To me, it makes no sense. So let's start with the very first mod, guys. Installing our antenna here. Antenna, guys, is like same size as a 79 antenna. So I don't like that. I never have. I do this mod to all my vehicles. Just cleans it up a little bit, makes it look more modern in my opinion. So in some cases you'll need some pliers. All you're gonna do is just be gentle, grip it, and turn it. Boom. Once you get it started, it's easy from there. Unscrew it just like anything else, like a regular nut and bolt. So there it is, freaking mega. All this does is just thread in. So we're just gonna go like this. I got this piece. Threaded in is this. Threaded all the way in. Use some thread lock if you want. It'll bottom out. And then I'm gonna twist this on top, like so. And now we go boom. Everything goes on. And there you have it. Tighten it up. Super simple mod, guys. Look at that. Just makes it look way more modern. I know it's super little, but it's a good start to a good build. Moving on to our rough country wheel liners here. So we're gonna top everything out of the bag. We got instructions, which is nice. Rough country, let's take a look here. Should be pretty simple. Clean the interior panels. I'm definitely gonna do that first. And then all you do is put it in place, and there's literally just a bunch of little tabs. It says PS, that's passenger side, so that's the side we're doing right now. Scuff your paint. Just kind of finagle its way in. Okay. You do have to tuck the lip inside the truck. So start by doing that, tuck it right behind. All right, guys, so there's a bunch of clips. All you gotta do is, once this is in, you literally just line them up and push in your tabs, and then you got your liners in. So let's do that. So 7 and 7, this will just push in, push in, push in. Really looks factory, guys. That's why I knew I'd do this one. Push in. Push in, boom. This side, same thing. Push in, 7 on each side. And there we go, guys. All tabs pushed in. And we have one in. Super simple. We have our wheels lined. No more debris causing rust in our truck bed. I'm going to do the other side. All right, guys, we got this side in. And that is gonna do it, guys, for this video. Just 2 quick mods. Obviously, the rear fender liner, I think, being one of the most important mods you can do if you don't have it from the factory. So I'd say throw those on, links in the description. Super easy to install. Do not pay the dealership to do that. That literally took me 10 minutes. No time at all. So simple. So make sure you guys save some money there. Thank you guys so much for watching, and have a great day. Peace.